Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. This quick 5-minute sequence will energize your body in the morning, get the joints mobilized, get you ready to go in 5 minutes flat. Find a kneeling position, lengthen up tall through the spine, and let the hands drop in towards your lap. Take a deep breath in, and then exhale out all of your air. You're going to interlace the palms, press them up towards the sky. First, lengthen up tall through the spine, and then this becomes a little back bend. Arch the spine, neutral neck. Then bring the hands back towards your chest. You're going to press the palms out in front of you, round the spine now. It's like seated cat-cows. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, back bend. Exhale, hands to heart center, press them out in front of you. And back to center, reach the arms up overhead, back bending. Hands back to chest, press them out in front, round the spine into chest. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, back bending. Hands back to the chest, press them forward, round the spine. Keep moving with your breath, reach the arms up overhead, inhale. Bring them back through center, press forward, exhale. Back to a neutral spine. Roll out that neck. Prepping coming onto a tabletop position, all fours. And start to make little circles. You're going counterclockwise here. Feel the distribution of weight through palms, through your knees, making circles. Keep your core engaged, neutral back. Then you're going to flip the palms, fingertips facing towards the knees. Inhale, take a little back bend. Exhale, press into the palms, round the spine. Inhale, back bending. And exhale, round the spine. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, round. Back to center, flip over the palms. Tuck those toes under, and you're going to hover the knees above the mat. Engage the core here. Helps if you smile. So wake up everything in the tummy, digestion. Lower those knees back down towards the mat. And let's stretch out the palms. You're going to grab for the thumb, extend the arm out in front of you. And let's switch it to the other side. This is great for being on your phone too much. And release both of your hands, sitting back towards seated position. You're gonna rock back towards the toes, lift the knees away from the mat. Ooh, wake up those feet, metatarsals, and then tuck the toes under, sit on back towards your heels. Untuck those toes, you're flat on the feet. If possible, lift the knees away from the mat. Bring them back down. Tuck the toes under, lift. Let's do that one more time. Then tuck the toes, lean on back. Pull them back down, tuck the toes under. Good, stretching out the bottoms of the feet. Come off of those, come to seated. Shake out the toes if you need to. From any comfortable seated position, you're going to take a side bend. Take your right hand to your left knee. Left arm reaches up overhead. Sweep that left arm to the other side and switch. Right arm reaches up overhead. And then switch it again. Left arm up overhead. Gracefully flowing. Right arm reaches up overhead. And switch. And switch. Right arm up overhead. This time, working into a twist. Take the right hand behind you now. Lift up tall through the spine. Each exhale, twisting. And then switch sides. Come over towards the left. Breathe. Come on back to center. Taking a moment to breathe. And you're going to bend that right elbow. Grab hold of it with your left hand. And stretch to the lateral side of your right ribs, right side of the body. And simply switch. Now your left arm is up overhead. Breathe. Let's work the other side of the shoulder. Drop the right arm out in front of you, shoulder drops down. Option to bring your left ear towards your left elbow. Switch sides, left arm out in front of you, drop the left shoulder down. And the option, right ear towards your right shoulder. This works a little bit of the neck. And release, come on back through center. Now as you work into the hips a little bit, so you're gonna uncross the feet. Right ankle over your left knee, palms come behind you. You can start out with a little rock, open up the left hip. And then switching sides, left ankle over the right knee. And just rocking a little side to side. You're gonna press into the right foot, lift the hips away from the mat, keep your gaze up towards the sky. And then just switch sides, right ankle over the left knee, press into the palms, hands, lift the hips up, lower the hips back down. Take a little back bend, hands towards the knees, exhale, press and round the spine, chin to chest. And then you come on back to neutral. This one's just for fun. Grab for the feet, do your best to balance, send the legs out in front of you. Flex the feet, smile, wiggle, roll over if you need to. Most importantly, smile, laugh, and have fun. It's the best way to start your day. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Have an empowered day ahead of you. Put this video on save and repeat to do it each and every morning if it helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel here on Live Free TV. Follow me over on Instagram at Live Free Warrior. And I'll talk to you soon in an upcoming video.